Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we will learn how to wire up an encoder to a Schneider M241 PLC, then how to make a simple program with it. Let's first go through the wiring of the encoder. Depending if we use a PNP or an NPN encoder, we will need to wire 24 voltage DC or 0 voltage DC to the COM terminal. The encoder I'm using is an NPN encoder. This means it sends out 0 voltage DC from the pulses. So in my case, I will have to connect 24 voltage DC to my COM terminal. From the encoder I'm using, there are 4 wires. 2 wires for the 24 and 0 voltage DC. Then 2 wires for the A and B phase. From the red and black cable, we want to power it up with 24 and 0 voltage DC. And the A and B phase, we want to connect to 2 of the inputs that can be used as a high-speed counter input. I will connect them to terminal 0 and 1. In Machine Expert, we want to open up the Counters tab in the Devices tree. Then, under Value, we want to add an HSC main dual counter. To the counting mode, we want to use the free large option, and input mode we want to change to normal quadrature. Then we need to change the A and B phase inputs to the inputs we connected them to. We can then go to the main program and add a high-speed counter function block. I will keep the programming really simple and just use an enable bit and reset bit for the input, and an output tag that keeps track of the encoder's value. I will now download the program and test it out. To make the encoder read value, we first need to activate the enable bit. If we now want to reset the value back to 0, we can trigger the reset bit. If we try move it without the enable bit active, we won't get any value at all. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe.